Greetings to all my dear respected colleagues. Dear colleagues, today I am just going to discuss one of the very attractive application which is being used in our educational sector as well. And the name of that particular application is, which is there on my screen, and that is to be called as ARLOOPA. Augmented reality. This is belongs to augmented reality. So what we can do, how we can download that particular, I'm just going to discuss the procedure with you all. First of all, I'm just going to click Play Store, click on the Play Store and open that Play Store, and I'm just going to mention here it is AR. And then I'm just supposed to click here, and this is the tool which we are supposed to install on our device. So as I having that particular tool on my device, so there is no issues with that. What we can do, I'm just going to click here, click on that particular option, and that particular application is supposed to be open on my screen. uh, as you all are watching that, this is directly opening on my screen, but what you are supposed to do, first of all, you are supposed to, when you are supposed to install that particular on your device here, there is the option which is, as I have sign in right now and my email ID is mentioning on the top, but when you install that particular, it shows a sign up. You are supposed to enter your name, your email ID, and you select a password here. And after that, what we are going to do, you are supposed to sign in, and then the actual magic is that I'm just going to click here on a 3D three-dimensional gallery here, and this is not now. And after that, here it is, ample amount of options will be there. For example, I'm just taking an example because the teachers teaching to a smaller class is having a curiosity, and even students having very much curiosity in them if something happens in front of them. So I'm just going to click on the animals. There is a number of animals are there. Only one thing, first of all, I'm just going to do it right now, and then I'm just going to discuss with you all that what I want to say. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, just for example, if you want to show different animals to your students, in such case, their respected colleagues, so what these are the list of these are the list of different animals here. So what we can do here, we can select any of the available animal, no issues with that. And these are the open only when there is something which is looking dull and it says there is a coin 150. So what you can do, you simply click on that, and here it is, in spite of spending 150 coins, there is no issue, there is no need to spend that particular. You can simply click on try with ad. The one ad is supposed to be displayed on the screen. You can simply watch that particular advertisement, and after that you can do it, or you can use that particular tool right now. So what I'm going to do here, I just want to do something practically here. Okay, I'm just going to click here on an elephant here. So what happened, as this is I'm just going to click here on a elephant here, and right now I'm sitting on my laptop. And kindly consider this thing, this is particular elephant, and what we can do, we just make it appear that we can stand with that and teaching the student. We can make a small video on that, and we can teach the students that this is elephant here. So I'm just I just want to elaborate that this is elephant, and this is supposed to stand on my hand only. Oh, so there is one more option. There is a pin option here. You can simply click here, and this is the arrow here. Any direction, if you want to just view that particular direction, in that case you can view that directions as well. So you can just rotate it like this, like this. So in when you want to view that particular, they just appear in such a way. So this is that how we can reduce the size of that particular, we can increase the size of that particular, or you can also select any of the different. Again, you can click on not now here, Not now. This is the one thing which we are going to do, but there is ample amount of options will be there. You are supposed to elaborate these options. So next, for science teachers, can I do something? Okay, there is a education mode here. I'm just going to click here. For example, I just take a body part here. So these are the different body parts. So what we can do here, we can click on any of the option, no issues with that. This is human tooth, I think so. So what we are going to do, we are just going to click here, and as per your requirement you can just stretch it, and even you can stand with that, you can stand with that particular object, is as simple as we are creating a video. Okay, and after that what we are going to do, we are just supposed to click on different parts of that particular tool here, and what they make sense, they are just going to display that this is the exactly, this is a particular thing which is we are going to do. And this is the concept of augmented reality. Augmented reality, you can do these things, and again, one more thing, I just want to add here, that you can elaborate things in that particular, and you do wonders, I think so. This is for social science teachers. If you want to display particular thing to your student, for example, I just want to display a moon here. So what we can do, we just stand with the moon here. This is a processing. We can simply stand with the moon and just taught the students that dear students, this is a moon. Or if you want to elaborate something, and you can stand with that particular. So I think so it looked great, it looked great, exceptionally good. Okay, after that, something for mathematics teachers as well. I am just talking about teachers, those who are teaching to lower classes here. So what we can do, we just search for different things here. We can, okay, we can for smaller kids, we having number blocks. So we can, what we can do, we just open that particular, teacher is supposed to be stand with that particular. If you want to increase the size, you can increase, click here. If you want to display one, this is you can do make a video, and then you can share in a ppt here. This is a 2, this is a 3. In such a way you can teach your students, and look, it look great, it look great. Even I just want to elaborate this thing. Once you are supposed to do these things, you are just really consider this thing exceptionally good here. So if teachers are this says that this is supposed to be opened with some advertisement, and what we are going to do, I just want to open this one, because you are supposed to see those advertisement here. What we can do, we just display that symbol here. If you want to display a cylinder here, and you can stretch that particular things, and you are supposed to stand with that, and you can discuss things with this particular shape. So it looks very, very, very attractive for smaller kids, I think so. So these are the different options, and even it's my humble request that you can do wonders with that, even with physics teacher, if they wants to do something with that particular. So they can do just things they are supposed to do with that particular. But one more thing here, that as you are supposed to explore this application, it looks better and better. And thank you very much, respected colleagues, that you are supposed to watch this video. And hopefully in future, I have just seen many of the videos while Zoom sessions, and while otherwise also, it looked great. Thank you very much. Thanks for your kind cooperation, and thanks for watching.